John here, 1984 Barbecue. Today, we're doing a collaboration video under the hashtag Inspired Burgers. This was thought up by Ken Rogers at Mostly Outdoors and Barbecue Trucker. I'll leave links down below in the description box and up here in the iCard somewhere. Anyways, guys, we're going to get started on my inspired burger on the Blackstone griddle next on 1984 Barbecue. I'm going to throw a little oil down here on the Blackstone for our burger here. Going to get this kind of going. It's hot, as you can tell. I just got these 3 burners on, guys, and I've got the other ones, the last one turned off. Alright, let's talk about some ingredients. We're going to be seasoning our burgers with a little bit of Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub. This is awesome stuff, guys. Awesome stuff. I'll leave a link below for his stuff, okay? We're going to go with that. We're also going to be using brioche bun, golden brioche bun I got in my local store. We're going to toast that later. I'm going to start off with a few onions, guys. I'll put those on there for caramelized onions. We're also going to go with some thick cut bacon, my local store. We're also got these beautiful, nice 80-20 ground chuck patties we're going to use for our burger. We're also going to top off our burger with some of these French jalapeno crisp onions. Alright, it's going to be really good. And I'm going to top with a barbecue sauce, guys. I'm just not sure what kind of barbecue sauce I'm going to top it off with. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get these onions kind of caramelized, and that won't take long. I'm also going to go ahead and go ahead and throw this bacon on, guys, as well. I love that sound, guys. Just listen. The lovely sound of bacon being fried. It's a great sound. Alright. We got our onions going. Let's set them over here for a minute. Got our bacon going. It's a little hot, so I'm going to turn it down just a tad. Just kind of move our bacon over just a tad there, guys. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to drop the burgers on here. I'll drop them down that side, unseasoned side first. I already seasoned the one side with Heath Riles. So I'm going to come back with it. A little bit of Heath Riles on there just like that. A little spread on them onions too. Alright guys, got this going. I'm going to let it cook. I'll bring you back. Our bacon's just about done. We're going to pull that off. I moved our onions over here to the side, guys. This isn't lit, but it's still hot. I don't want to burn my onions. I'm going to go ahead and get this bacon off. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that bacon's nice and crispy, not burnt. We're in good shape. Slide that over here in our tray here. All right, our burgers, I'm going to flip our burgers here in just a second. I'm going to give these onions a nice little flip. They got a little bit darker than I wanted, but that's okay. Alright, we're going to get these burgers to flip, guys. Look at that crust, guys. Look at that crust. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm going to bring you in there. Look at that crust, y'all. Nice crust on these burgers. Juicy. Man, that looks good. Smells good. The smell, you guys, is fabulous. Wish you were here for it, alright? So I'm going to get these burgers cooked through. And, yeah, I'll bring you back when we're ready to build this bad boy. Alright? I'll see you then. Monstrosity of a burger. Y'all ready? I'm ready. We're going to take a couple strips of bacon here. We're going to lay that right there. I'm just taking the bacon and tearing it in half like so. There we go, just like that. Some bacon. Okay, now we're going to take one of our lovely patties here. Lay that right there like that. All right. Ooh. Nice. All right. Now we're going to come back in, and I want to take a little bit of these crispy jalapenos here and put on this thing, guys. Look at that. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna take some of these and we're just gonna lay them on top of our sandwich here, like so. Top of the burger. Nice little mince of them there. All right. Now we're going to go and grab our other patty here. This is going to be a monster, you guys. Ooh, ooh, I hope it stays together, guys. Hope it stays together. Oh, man, this thing's a monster. I'm not even sure, you guys, this is going to hold together. I'm really not. All right. Some more bacon on top of it. Some bacon right here. God, that is a monstrosity of a burger right there, buddy. You guys can just see these damn flies in the way. And then we're going to get these onions on here. Get these onions on here. Lay these caramelized onions on top. This bad boy. I mean, this thing is a monster, you guys. Look at that thing. Good night, Irene. Gonna put a few more of our jalapeno things on there, you guys. And I'm inspired by this because I've seen different burgers, but this isn't a copycat recipe. So now I've got some Jack Daniel's sweet and spicy. We're going to throw a little bit of that on the mix here, you guys. And let that just kind of dribble on down there like so. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm telling you what, this thing is unbelievable. I'll bring you back for a taste. Quick cook. We got it done. Here we go, you guys. Boom. Look at that. I had put a knife in it just to kind of hold it up. And I don't think my knife, there it goes. Knife went all the way through now. But look at that monster. 80-20 ground chuck. 4 pieces of thick cut bacon. Barbecue sauce. Jack's sweet and spicy. We've got some caramelized onions on it. And some jalapeno crisps. Alright. This is going to be a bloody mess. Alright, so bear with me. We're going to take this knife out. And I'm going to attempt to try to even like remotely do this, but just look at that, guys. Let's look at that. All right. I don't even know how I'm going to be able to do this, you guys. Let's just start over here. Got one. Cheers. Thank you. You guys, it's messy. It's got some heat on it from the jalapeno crisps. You get the sweet with a little spicy from the Jack Daniels. The bacon, the brioche bun. My God, it's good, you guys. All right. I would like to thank Ken Rogers, mostly outdoor cooking, mostly outdoors, sorry. And Barbecue Trucker for this collaboration. And then anybody else that got in on the collaboration. That's the only 2 that I know of, plus me made 3, okay? I'll leave links to their channels down below, guys. Anyways, I really appreciate it. I hope you guys liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate it. Again, thank you so much. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.